Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and up until now, I did not have a salt and pepper set that I was proud to display. That has now changed thanks to this ZIGFEIN salt and pepper grinder set. Whether it's the coarse salt or the hard peppercorns, both of these grinders provide smooth, effortless grinding. I find the color of these to be just gorgeous, and I absolutely love the modern matte finish. I found them really easy to fill, and I think that they have great storage capacity, and I can see exactly how much is in them, so I know when they need to be refilled, which is something that I really like because my previous pepper grinder never had that, and I would just run out of the blue. I've noticed these to be much less messy than previous ones that I've had since the top secures really well, and it also has a bottom cover which prevents accidental spillage. I can adjust the coarseness of the grind to my own personal preference, and it dispenses the perfect amount at just the right rate. When I'm using it, it just feels like something that is really going to last me a long time. With the sleek, minimal styling of these, I think that they look amazing whether they're sitting on my countertop or on my dining room table. I will definitely be keeping this grinder set really close by for all of my meals. But that's just my point of view.